Good morning, class. My name is Harsha Jumnani. Today's date is at 18th December 2020, and I'll be teaching you economics. The period is third, the class is 11th, and the duration of this class is 35 minutes. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions, and if you know the answers, then give your answers in complete sentence. Now, the first question is, why do we work? Yes, the answer is we work to earn money. Now, the second question is, what do we do with the money earned? We buy goods and services with the money earned. Yes, very good. The third question is, where do we purchase goods and services from? We purchase goods and services from the market. Yes. What activities does takes place in the market? Buying and selling takes place in the market. Yes. Is buying and selling in market possible without money? Obviously no. So today we shall study about barter system. Now tell me, what is the medium of exchange? So the medium of exchange is money. What is barter system? So meaning of barter system. Barter system is an old method of exchange. This system has been used for centuries and long before money was invented. People exchange services and goods for other services and goods in return. The bartering does not involve money, which is one of the advantages. You can buy items by exchanging an item you have but no longer want or need. Generally, trading in this manner is done through online auctions and swap markets. Now, students, tell me, what is the oldest method of exchange of goods and services? Yes, the answer is barter system. What are the drawbacks of barter system? The drawbacks of barter system. The major drawback of barter system was double coincidence of wants. Owing to lack of general acceptable medium of exchange, a difficult problem of double coincidence of wants was faced by the persons who wanted to sell and buy goods. For exchange of goods, desiring to exchange goods must specifically want those goods what others offer in exchange. Thus, an individual who wants to have a good, he must locate another person who offers to give up the good wanted by him and who is selling to accept in exchange the goods offered by him. Others under barter system, only when wants for buying and selling goods of different persons coincided, the exchange of goods was possible. A good deal of time was spent by a person in searching for men with whom wants coincided. Now, students, tell me, what is it called when two persons are complementary to each other and ready to compensate? Yes, the answer is double coincidence of wants. Now, what is it called when one product is not equal to another product? So, the answer is measure of value. In barter, there is no common measure or unit of value. Even if buyer and sellers of each other commodity happens to meet, the problem arises in what proportion the goods are to be exchanged. Each article must have as many different values as there are other articles for which it is to be exchanged. When thousands of articles are produced and exchanged, there will be unlimited number of exchange ratios. Absence of a common denominator in order to express exchange ratios creates many difficulties. Money obviates these difficulties and acts as a convenient unit of value and account. Now students, tell me, what is it called when there is difficulty in finding rates for exchange of commodity? It is measure of value. What do we call it if payments are made in future? The answer is standard of deferred payments. There is a problem of borrowing and lending. It is difficult to engage in contracts which involve future payments due to lack of any satisfactory unit. As a result, future payments are to be stated in terms of specific goods or service. But there could be disagreements about the quality of the good, specific type of the good, and exchange in the values of the goods. Now students, tell me, let's see how much have you learned. If two commodities are complementary to each other, what is it called? It is called double coincidence of wants. What is barter system? Barter system is a system where goods are exchanged for goods. Give any two drawbacks of barter system. The true drawbacks of barter system is lack of measure of value and lack of standard of deferred payments. What is the oldest method in exchange of goods and service? The oldest method is barter system. If two items do not have same proportion for value of exchange, then what it is called? It is called as measure of value. Review of knowledge. Barter system is a system in which goods are directly exchanged with goods. Yes, it is true. Lack of double coincident bonds is the major drawback of barter system. Yeah, that's true. Lack of common measure is the advantage of barter system. No, this was the drawback. Barter system is the oldest method of exchange. Yes, true. Future payments are possible in barter system. Obviously not. So it is false. Now students, note down your work. Write a detailed note on problems of barter system, barter exchange. Now, thank you students.